Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel 95% plus prep. In this video, I will tell you about the fourth page of 95% plus prep website, which is operators. Now move to question number first. In Python, there are how many types of operators? So in Python, there are basically 7 types of operators, namely arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, and bitwise operator. So the right answer is option number D, 7. Now move to question number 2. In Python, dash operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. So if we have to perform mathematical operation with numeric values, we use arithmetic operator. So the answer is option C, arithmetic operator. Now move to question number 3. In Python, dash operators used to compare two values. Now, if we have to compare two values, we use comparison operator. So the right answer is option B, comparison operator. Now move to question number 4. In Python, dash operators are used to combine conditional statements. So if we have to combine conditional statements, we use logical operator. So the right answer is option A, logical operator. Now move to question number 5. In Python, dash operators are used to compare the objects. So if we have to compare the objects, we use identity operator. So the right answer is option D, identity operator. Now move to question number 6. In Python, dash operators are used to assign values to variables. If we have to assign values to variable, we use assignment operator. So option number A, assignment operator is correct. Now move to question number 7. In Python, dash operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. So if we have to check whether a sequence is present in an object or not, we use a membership operator. So option number C, membership operator is correct. Now move to question number 8. In Python, dash operators are used to compare binary numbers. So if we have to compare binary numbers, we use bitwise operator. So option number A is correct. Now move to question number 9. Which of the following is an assignment operator in Python? So we all know that equal to is an assignment operator in Python. So option number C, equal to is correct. Now move to question number 10. Which of the following is an bitwise operator in Python? So we all know the binary ones complement is the bitwise operator in Python. So option number D, binary ones complement is correct. So that's all for today. Link of website is given below in description. If you like this video, hit the like button, and you find it useful, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.